We're going to retire too soon, and today we're going to be fixing the bed so it doesn't hit the cab. First thing I need to do is lift up the topper. Alright, let's jump in the video. Alright, what you're going to need is some ratcheting toe straps or tie downs. I have an 8-foot bed. You want to make sure it's long enough to go from the front of the bed and to attach down to the bumper or to a frame. Then you're going to need to get some angle supports. Pick up at local box store. And then what you're going to do is take the angle support and you want to push it as far as you can to where you can't no more, or on both sides of the bend, and then attach the toe strap. Let me get that set up. So I have it ran between the tailgate, goes underneath, and then I have it attached to the safety chain for your hitch. Then wire it up and hook it up to the L brackets. Alright, this is how far in the L brackets can go. Then you attach your ratchets into the holes where the screw or a bolt can go through. And then you want to ratchet it back evenly till it straightens out. Alright, once you think you got it where it needs to be, maybe go just slightly past and then release it and see where it settles to. That is pretty amazing. I hope you can see how straight that is now. It's away from the cab. Didn't scratch the cab at all. Wow, I wish I knew how to do that years ago. So now I just need to drop it down, the topper down, and it'll be beautiful. Sorry, it's like 80 something degrees right here. So, but not bad for probably like 30 bucks. Alright, boys and girls, I got it all wrapped up, got the topper back on, everything clean. Have to redo this because the sun keeps reflecting off the topper, but it looks nice. As I said, I wish I knew years ago how to do this. Would have saved me a lot of time, money, and just putting up with it rubbing against the cab. I hope you got value out of this, and you know, it's, as I said, great thing about the internet. So you can find it, pass it on, and share it with others. I'm waiting on a package right now for the old girl back here. So leave a comment below what you think the package is going to be. Something we're going to be installing. Very excited. So if I'm wearing the same outfit, it's because I installed it basically in like 30 minutes from now. So stay tuned. Next video is going to be pretty awesome. Leave a comment below. So like always, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.